Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to zoom in and zoom out your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. And let's don't waste a lot of time, just let's move on point how to do it. So first, when you're on your Adobe Premiere Pro, just select some video to edit here, drag it here. Let's say this meme, oh my god, you know that meme. So how to, let's say we wanna zoom in his face. How to zoom in his face? Just select the video. And as you can see here in effect controls, we have motion, we have opacity. I mean, you can change the opacity, of course. Also, you can change the scale, and you can change the position from here. But in this video, we're gonna focus on scale, only on scale. So as you can see, every time we change these coordinates higher than 100, let's say 170, it's zooming in. And every time we're making these coordinates lower than 100, it's, let's say 50, we are zooming out this video. So how to zoom in and zoom out? So let's say we wanna make a starter point from here and to zooming in to here, somewhere here. So how to do it? So just select this clock here, that's called toggle animation, and as you can see here, it appears this romp. So here's no difference as you can see, but drag this line somewhere you want this motion to stop, and now if you wanna zooming in, just make these coordinates higher than 100, like let's say 170, like this. And when you play the video, as you can see here, and now it's zooming in. But if you wanna zooming out, just make these coordinates lower than 100, let's say 50. And as you can see now, it's zooming out. And that's the effect of zooming in and zooming out. It's very useful in your videos and keeps the attention of your viewers. So, and it's the most important, it's fun sometimes. Yeah, that was it of this video. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. And see you next video. Bye.